Mangi pane. Here, eat this side. You want to hold it? You want to help yourself? Mangi pane.
Hey buddy. Ci vuole mangi the pane?
Here, hold it this way.
Puoi mangiare qualcosa di buono?
See
Now
it?
he's looking only at the camera.
Look, Milo. You want to hold it? He's like, I'm going to ham it up for the camera. You want to hold your bread? Hold it.
Say hi, mommy. Are you hungry?
You want to put it in your mouth like mommy?
No.